Alright, I just recently bought an iPod Touch 32GB 4th generation from eBay. I paid about $190 for it. It is used. So I'm going to open this up right now and show you guys. Again, there's the charger right there. Apple brand. And here's the iPod. Get rid of the box. Right now it's in a case. It comes in the original case, which gives it more value. And then, before I open that, it does come with a charger cable, no manuals because it is used. And then, here's the iPod Touch. Front facing camera, rear facing camera. So let's power this thing on. There we go. I reboxed it because I just wanted to do a video of me opening it. So I already have a bunch of apps on here. So if I thought I'd explain that because you guys be like, you know, what in the world? You already have apps on there. This is not jailbroken, by the way. And I have a passcode on it. And then battery doctor, racing games, more racing games. And then let's go to the camera. It does not have a flash. And there's that. And then there's me. Hi. But yeah, I like it. And if you're going to get a texting app for it, I do recommend Pinger. It's like one of the best apps out there. And then I thought I'd show you my hamster. His name is Chippy Lou. Say hi, Chippy. Alright. But I hope you guys enjoy my video, and that is the iPod Touch. So long.